Morning and welcome back to another Rush Gang fishing episode. We're out here on Andy's Fish Pro this morning. The goal is to catch a big fish, so we punched out in the dark. We've just got on anchor now. Sun is just starting to make its way up. Fingers crossed we can get a big old snapper on, or yeah, anything big really. Oh man, just need that reel to scream, eh? So yeah, we've got the burley bag down here flowing. I'm fishing 2 rods, Andy's got the 1 rod out there. Bit of luck, as the sun comes up we can get a big fish on, and if the wind doesn't pick up we'll then head out a bit wider. Oh, fish on. See that? Oh yeah, here we go, first fish of the morning. It's just picked up my bait. It's no monster, but it's a start. I feel like it's a little snapper. First snappy of the morning. There you go. Little sea point hook right through that guy. Wicked little fish. You just got to hit too, eh? Yeah. We're on again. It's another little snapper. Nothing major, but it's a good sign, I suppose. Just need that real big one to come through now. Burley's obviously starting to work. They're light coloured fish, eh? It's a nice little guy. Nice little snapper on the sea point hook there. Yeah, so I'm just fishing that rig completely unweighted. We're only in 9 metres of water here, so pretty close to the beach, as you can see. See ya. And we're just fishing half pilchards this morning. Just like that. Oh man, that's a decent fish, wasn't it?
Let go.
Bugger. Burley's starting to work though, eh?
Yeah.
Took a minute, but it's starting to happen. The unweighted bait is on again. Another small snapper's come through, I think. Oh, he's a little bit bigger. They're growing. They are growing. Whoa. Been a bit of a slow start really, but we're getting a couple of little snapper come through, just need the big one to rock up. Yeah, the inshore snapper's been in a bit of a struggle this morning, so we're going to give it another 15-20 minutes here and then we're going to punch out. Hopefully find some jewfish or some snapper out a bit deeper, but yeah, the sunrise snapper thing inshore this morning just hasn't really happened. Got 3 little ones, but we haven't got that keeper yet. Yeah, we haven't even had like skippy and that hanging around the boat or anything, eh? Like it's actually just been quiet, man. I don't know, maybe even we make this last cast out here, eh? I think even from a jet ski it might be, there's probably more chance of catching when the sun's up from a ski because you got less presence in the water, but like it just feels like a quiet morning, doesn't it? Alright, the snapper are dead quiet, so we're going to move on. Screenshotted a few of my marks on my phone yesterday and we're going to head out there and go try find a jewfish. Turns out I've left my phone in the car, so we got no marks. What we're going to do is just head out, out behind the 3 mile there. Spend a little bit of time sort of scouting around, try to find some ground, and fingers crossed we can find something. Otherwise we're just gonna have to tie the tuna lures on and troll around for some tuna. So we'll see what we can do. We'll head out to the back of the 3 mile there, and yeah, fingers crossed we can find a little bit of ground, because at the moment we got nothing. Like a pretty useless decky this morning, so I told Andy that I'll bring the bait and the spots this morning. I brought soggy old pilchards that were absolutely crap, and then I forgot my phone, so I also haven't brought any spots. So what we've done, we've just punched out behind the 3 mile here. We're just rigging up and we're just going to drift around and hopefully come across some ground. And yeah, this morning it's going to be more about luck than skill, that's for sure, because we got nothing right now, absolutely nothing. Fingers crossed we magically drift over some wicked looking ground and we can turn this episode around, because right now it's struggle street. So I'm just going to be fishing this 80 gram bottom meat here. Andy's got the same but in 110 grams. Yeah, soggy old pilchard each, and hope for the best. Oh, damn it. Just dropped a decent fish then. Far out. Come on, come back. It had a bit of weight, man. We've been drifting for about 40 minutes now with bugger all. Andy's rod's finally gone off. On the bottom, mate, that's a good fish, dude.
We'll see when we pull him in.
See what it is. It's definitely got head shakes in that, like it's a fish. Oh, that sun's brutal on the camera. Bro, yeah, you're on. And we just went over a bit of decent ground, so we've actually drifted over a couple of alright looking spots. Yeah, this is solid, man. You're on.
It's that one fish to make it happy.
Yeah, just as you were losing hope. Oh man, I can't even see with that sun glare up.
Yeah, me neither.
I reckon it might be a dewy, eh?
Oh, if it's a Jew, I'll be so stoked.
I reckon. I got colour. It's a good fish. It's quite big. On the old bottom meat, eh?
Yeah.
What is it, bro? I'll get the net in a sec. Oh, it's a big baldy. It's
Oh.
a huge baldy, bro. Bro, chuck me the net. There's a monster. Oh, what a fish. Solid.
Huge.
Absolute trip saver, bro.
Tell me about it.
It's a good fish. Man, what you need to do now is we need to mark that spot. So scroll back till we go back. Yeah, that might have been it, I think. Bro, that might beat my one from last week, eh? That's a
Look at the
dog.
size of the thing.
We just got the baldy and my rod's just gone screaming off. Oh, bro, this is a big fish, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, the no spot thing has paid off for us. Oh, yeah, this is solid, bro. Another one for the bottom, mate. I wonder what this is. Yeah, it's a good fish.
Right.
I don't know how we're going to land it with your one in the net.
I reckon,
Man, we have had a crap morning's fishing, to be perfectly honest with you. And then just like that, one drift just changes the whole morning. That's incredible. Bro, hopefully this is my eating fish too.
Yeah.
I don't know, it kind of feels like a snapper, eh? But I just don't know. Oh yes, bro. He putting it in there?
Yeah.
You mad dog.
To put in.
Oh, what have I got?
Yeah, mate.
What is that? Is that a baldy as well?
Yeah.
Oh, it's
Oh,
a snapper, man.
Get out of town.
Big snapper.
Oh,
Straight in the net for you, buddy. The ski is on.
Oi!
Oh man.
Look at the size of that bad boy.
And just like that, bro.
Just like that, bro.
The whole morning turns around.
You!
There you go, first ever snapper from a jet ski on the 80 gram Vex bottom meat there. Man, it's been a crappy morning, eh? First up, the inshore snappers didn't bite. I turned up with the worst mushy old bait. And then I forgot to bring the fishing spots, so we just come out here and aimlessly drifted, and to pick up that, plus Andy's monster baldy is just epic. So happy, man, look at that. I reckon we go back over that zone, eh?
100%.
Another drift. Oh, man. And then I have to get you holding your one up. Look at the size of that baldy. That is a weapon, man.
Pretty stoked, I'm not gonna lie.
It was, yeah, the morning, like it was over, eh? We were having a crap morning this morning. Nothing was really going to plan whatsoever, and that drift has just turned it all around.
Yeah, by far.
Let's get him in
He's a
the
nice
ski.
big,
Whoa.
nice big fish.
Yeah, we'll put him in the esky. We're going to loop back around on the ski and give it another drift, and then we might just, after that, we might sort of slowly troll our way in with a couple of tuna lures out the back and see if we can pick a tuna up.
Yep, sounds like a plan.
Just gone back up over the mark again. Oh, I'm so glad we caught fish. I was feeling pretty bad about my decky work there, the bad bait and the no spots. Oh, but it seems like we've just found our own spot, so it's all good. Come on, eat it. Couple of good bites there. Are we past that mark yet, or?
Nah, nowhere near it yet.
We're not quite up to it? Oh,
No.
perfect.
No, we're still ages away.
I reckon I would have just got baited. Oh no,
Baited now so you can
still getting bites.
fish on.
Oh, yeah, fish on.
Oh, there we go.
And we're not even up to the mark yet. Oh yes, yes. Oh, I'll be taking these marks off the sounder. New spot unlocked. Oh, what's he doing? It's not as big, but it's another fish. What is it? Oh, it's a breaksea cod, man. Oh, he's a good one. Delicious. Yes. Yeah, he's a good breaksea. I'm not complaining with that. There he is, angry little breaksea cod. There's no way that guy's going back. They're absolutely delicious. We're all out of bait. That was an epic morning considering that it got off to such a bad start. Sort of missed the sunrise snapper inshore. Come out here with absolutely no spots. Ended up with that breaksea cod, bull chin groper and a snapper. That's a quality morning. So it's only just gone just after 8 AM. So we're gonna go race around, do a few hot laps on the ski. Alright, my turn to skipper the beast. Hold in.
Yep.
Yeah, boy.
Right trigger.
Accelerator, kind of brake. So much fun, man. The The throttle's so sensitive, eh? Oh, that was a lot of fun fishing from the jet ski. I had a good time. Certainly fun to drive the beast. And yeah, there's our catch for the morning. Baldy went about 56, Pinky's 60 centimeters, and a break sea cod. I reckon that's pretty good going, considering, yeah, we had no spots. The morning sunrise snapper thing inshore absolutely didn't work, and yeah, managed to find some new ground out there in 28 meters, and he's certainly hitting that spot again. So yeah, if you like this episode, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.